Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be organizing my mom's bathroom. This is going to be a series. It's going to be part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. This is going to be the first series, so this is going to be the first cabinet I'll be organizing. My mom's birthday is coming out this week, so I'm going to surprise her with an organized and clean bathroom. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. I'm going to try and film her reaction. I'll film her reaction, but I don't know if she'll let me post it because she doesn't like being on camera. But I will try my best to film that for you guys just so you guys can see her reaction. So yeah, I'm going to be organizing her bathroom. So I hope this gives you lots of cleaning and organizing motivation. Now let's get straight into today's video.
Floating up like helium.
In today's video, I'm going to be using my Jaws disinfecting cleaner and one of my e-cloths. I will have these links in my description box in case you want to check them out.
Set me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm. I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward. It's gonna
So as you see here, I'm working my way from top to bottom. I'm doing one shelf at a time. I'm taking everything off and then wiping it down and then putting everything back in its home neat and organized. I do this from top to bottom, and I do one shelf at a time just because it's not a bunch of clutter everywhere and it's not so overwhelming, and that's just easier for me, and it's just how I like to do it.
we're floating up like helium.
Let me know down in the comment section how you guys like to organize your cabinets. Do you guys like to do one shelf at a time, or do you guys just like to take everything out, wipe it all down, and then put everything all back at once? I sped some of these clips up just because it took me a while to get this right. I have it a certain way. I put all the stuff that she uses the least in the very back and the stuff that she uses in the front on a daily basis, just because it's easier for her to find what she was looking for. And she had so much stuff, so it took me a while to figure it out, and I didn't want to bore you guys, so that's why I sped some of these clips up. Now I'm going to be organizing her baskets. I'm going to take everything out of each basket, wipe it all down, because I'm sure there's makeup and dust stuck to the bottom of them. So I'm going to go ahead and get all those nice and clean and then put everything back in the baskets, all neat and organized. I sped some of these clips up just because, as you can see in the last clip, like, she had several baskets full of stuff and it took me a while to organize it. And again, I didn't want to bore you guys, so I sped some of these up so you can see what I'm doing, but also not get so bored with it. I'm not gonna lie, I did struggle with this, even though it may not seem like I'm struggling with it on camera, but in for real life, off camera, I was struggling with it. It's not very often you see a man organizing makeup, but I did this for my mom because I love her and I appreciate everything she's done for me, and I hope she enjoys this makeover. I did this so it's also she can come into a nice, clean, organized bathroom, and it's easier to find what she's looking for.
You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens.
If you see me take little pieces of makeup or like her little things and put them off to the side and not in the baskets, it's because I'm going to put them in little baggies, and this way it's more organized and contained, and this way it's not just thrown in the basket. So I promise you I'm not going to get rid of it or anything. It's just I'm going to put them in baggies so it's more organized and contained, so she doesn't lose any of her pieces.
You got me dancing in your storm, looking like
I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this gives you lots of cleaning and organizing motivation. I'm going to be posting every day for the next 4 days because this is a 4-day series. So if you don't want to miss any of these videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. So if you want to see the big reveal and see my mom's reaction, then go ahead and just stay tuned until the very end of the series. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You got me dancing in a storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm.